Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons online. All systems nominal.
We got any missile mechs out there today?
This is Clan Command. Get to the target and capture it. Cut down any enemy.
Got one right here.
The Warhammer 7S. I got NARCs.
Discharged.
Well, if me and you are the only ones with missiles, and oh, that guy's in the fight again. He disconnected again, huh?
See, they've added a mushroom to this map. Oh, mushroom.
We held the zone for 25%.
I'm gonna try to get someone in there, see if I can put some NARCs on them. Just hang back, you know.
Artillery strike online.
Do what you do. Are you pretty much running exclusively missiles on that Warhammer?
No, I got lasers. You don't ever want to run all missiles at me.
Oh, I know. A lot of people do, though. I mean, it depends on the play. Like, if you run like a faction play with a drop deck or something like that, you can
Target spotted.
It's still pretty dumb.
Target Alpha, scatter shot.
Target spotted.
Trying to keep a lock on them. You hitting them at all?
No, the missiles are hitting the structure.
Target spotted.
Alright.
See if I can get a better arch.
Alright, come around to the left maybe.
New
Got a couple targets
acquired.
up there, so see if I could drop an artillery on them. Oh, that Dragon Seed got me. Who put that there? Oh yeah, I know who.
Artillery strike
spotted.
activated. New
Alright, target Annihilator is narked. Annihilator is narked.
About to rain fire.
UAV.
Target spotted.
Delta 4. UAV.
Can't hit them.
They got two Annihilators coming
New
in.
target
spotted.
acquired.
Target spotted. Target spotted.
Artillery strike.
Oh, someone's behind us.
Delta 5.
Putting up a UAV.
Activated.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks like a couple of Lancers over here.
New target acquired.
Target spotted. Target spotted.
New target acquired.
Yeah, they're pretty heavily concentrated in there we go.
Artillery strike online. Target acquired.
The king's over there, though.
New target acquired.
Yeah, so we got guys approaching from our right side. They're pretty close. The scatter shot, especially right here.
Artillery strike online.
Drop that.
More flanking to Delta 5 side.
Grab that scatter shot. Scatter shot's down. Alright.
Target acquired.
Alright, target Juliet coming around our backside over here. In front of the UAV. It's a Warhammer Black Widow. Target Juliet, focus him down. He's running. Alright, he's narked.
Yep.
New target acquired.
He's good. Fuck
Yeah.
that guy.
Warhammer, another Warhammer in the back over there. You see him back there, right?
New target acquired.
Oh, I'm getting shot at by like 8 different
right,
rats.
yeah, I know.
Dude, this map sucks
New
dick now.
target
You
acquired.
can't hit anything with LRMs. They put these fucking things on the ground.
I think
Stop
the
you in
Target
these
acquired.
scenes.
Juggernaut just
Target acquired.
and a Marauder right on top of me. Do you see him?
Right leg
Alright, clearly he's narc, but he's all over my shit. He's narc. Get that marauder. I'm trying to run from him.
I can't hit anybody, man. I'm getting shot in every fucking direction. I can't hit anybody.
Target spotted.
I'm trying to get an angle on him.
Yeah.
And okay. Ah, lost it. God damn it.
He's at ECM.
New target acquired.
Take him down. Alright, he's dead.
I got him with my small lasers.
There you go. Scatter shot.
Damage.
Yep.
Focus.
New target acquired.
Still Annihilator over there too.
New
Disaster
target
at time.
acquired.
Alright, that scatter shot's down.
Get back together. Get back together.
I need a targeting solution.
Pretty bust up, so.
Okay.
Target
Don't expose
acquired.
yourself.
Scatter shot's at 38%. He's almost dead. Damn, he's lost all my weapons.
Left arm destroyed.
Damn, scatter shots can take me.
Destroyed.
Thank you, somebody got him. Woo!
Ammo depleted.
I like it as
New
I
ECM.
didn't. I was. I had missiles coming.
But I
out
will-
right when I
Target
got-
spotted.
Just go into jam mode. Screw it. That's all I can do left.
Target
Grab this
acquired.
Annihilator. I got no weapons.
New target acquired.
Trying to jam the scatter
Target
shot.
destroyed.
Alright. Over after the Annihilator. Alright, and gonna jam the Annihilator.
Target
Alright,
destroyed.
Annihilator's down. Hold the center. Just hold the center, guys.
Victory is within our grasp.
That's what's
That's-
disconnected in their spawn anyway.
It's unfortunate.
Yep.
They went a little bit overboard on the
Play.
fucking ceilings.
We are
Okay, team.
victorious in battle.
Still ranked up. How'd you do?
Alright, ranked up.
Hey, you got 3 kills, didn't you? Yeah, you did good.